Okay, you've analyzed the design and now you're ready to add a new field to it. In one of the earlier videos in this series, when I presented the SSRS solution and its pain points, I added a new field to the report data source and named it Demo Field. I also demonstrated how to add it to the SSRS design. First, I extended the header rectangle, then identified where the new field should go based on the requirement to place it above the payment information. This took some clicking around until I found the payment field. Next, I selected all elements below that spot and moved them down. I copy-pasted an existing label and field pair, then adjusted the expressions to bind them to the right values. The label was tricky because I needed to know the exact label ID to use in that place. And here is the process in Docentric. I can see exactly where the payment ID is in the table. I simply select that table row, right-click and insert rows above. On the right side, I add a field tagging element and bind it to the new demo field. Remember, Docentric runs on the top of the SSRS pipeline, so anything added to the SSRS report data source is automatically visible in Docentric. On the left side, I add a label tagging element. I can enter a label code manually if I want, but usually we want the label that's already assigned to this field. So I will point to Demo field, and the label I gave it earlier, remember, sys12345, is used automatically.